All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've been having some issues with where exactly you can find your grades, where exactly you can find your content folders, and all of those kinds of things. So this video hopefully will clarify where to go when you want to look at your grades and the pacing guides, and where do you go when you need the content information and stuff like that. My view is a little bit different than your view because I am a teacher, obviously, and you are a student, so some of the things don't pop up on mine that pop up on yours. As you're taking a look at your Blackboard courses, you will notice that you have two science courses. You should have a 2008 course that will say, for this instance, Science Investigations. It may say Accelerated Biology, Academic Biology. It may also say Accelerated Chem. Out to the right of that, there should be an option to click to view your grade. If you click on that option, it should take you to your progress book, and it should open up your traditional school grade book that you are used to. So out to the right of the 2018, whatever course you're enrolled in, again, Science Investigations, Accelerated Bio, Accelerated Chem, or Advanced or Academic Bio, that'll take you to where your actual grade is. It should look something a little bit like this. I'm going to use Mr. Harris's view so that we can kind of see what's going on and what it should look like. This is for all advanced biology students. When they click on their grades, this is the formative assessments that they have right up here at the top. You have your labs that we require you guys to do, and then you have your summative assessments as well. So all courses are set up the same. You have formative assessments, you have labs, and then you have summative assessments. The one thing to note is the due dates have already been put in for you to see where you're at and where you're supposed to be. This is your pacing guide to determine, am I on pace, am I ahead of pace, or am I behind the pace of the class. So taking a look at this, by the end of the week, Ty should have finished the first formative assessment on scientific method and graphing. He should have finished the pill bug lab, which he was working on today, and I expect him to have that turned in by the end of the day today. So he is right now on pace for advanced biology. The only other thing that he really has left to do is the summative assessment, which is not due until the 7th of September. So in about a week and a half or so, he should be done with unit number 1. Again, this is where your grade book is, and this is also your pacing guide, so you can kind of see, where am I, where do I need to be, do I need to move faster, or should I slow down, can I work on other things, etc. from there. So that's your pacing guide that kind of gives you an idea of where we're at. And again, all of that information is on the right-hand side of the class that you were originally rolled into, which is 2018, and then it will say Science Investigations for those of you that are in the Science Investigations class, or it'll say Academic Bio, Accelerated Bio, or Accelerated Chem out to the right-hand side. Now, for the content information, where do I find the unit guides and everything? We've gone over that with you before. That is down here in the SynnLabScience. Ms. Velardo and myself purposely put everything in the SynnLabScience so that all sciences were housed together. So when you click on the SynnLabScience, it should take you here, and then from here you get to pick whether you're in Science Investigations, whether you're in Bio, Advanced Bio, or not chemistry yet, academic chemistry, but accelerated chemistry as of right now. Once you click on those, so if we were to click on Science Investigations, it would open you to all of the units, and I just picked the first unit to kind of show you the setup again of where things are and what you need to complete, and etc. from there. So hopefully this little video helps you kind of figure out, where do I find my grades, and then inside of the grades, where are my pacing guides so I know where I'm on target or not on target for each class, and then where do I find my academic information, which is under the SynnLabScience folder. We are hoping to get that rectified and have everything together at one point in time, but for right now, those are the options that we have and what we need to do to find those things. So hopefully this helped you guys.